condenser mic kit, and just wanted to give a review on this, as I'm going to use this as my permanent microphone. I hope this is easy enough to use, and with USB I will be able to get a much more cleaner sound. Just for the information, I'm recording this audio from my internal microphone from the camera itself, which is Sony A5100, and yeah, so I will do the comparison after that and you will be able to hear it. So Neewer microphone. So let's quickly unbox it and see what's in there, and I'll mount it and then we'll test it out. This pop filter looks very good quality. Usually they cheap out in these kind of things. So arm looks solid enough. Some paperwork, might need it. So that's the USB cable. So this end goes, and that's the USB here. Right. Shock mount. Okay, so I think it's gonna work like this. Pop the microphone inside. Clamp. So in the last microphone itself. Okay, so this is how it's gonna be. Yeah. So this is all set up, and let's put this on my desk and test it out. Alright guys, the microphone has been set up. So that was the only place I could find to put it up. So basically when you put it up, you'll figure it out, and everything is installed and it's rock solid. And so when you connect the USB, just make sure you go into your sound here and right click and open sound settings, and this will open this settings, right? And then just make sure your device, USB PNP audio device is selected. At the moment I don't have any other microphone, so I don't have any options, but this has to be there. So device is plug and play, which is very handy, and let's test it out how the audio is at the moment. So right now you can hear me in camera internal sound. Let's switch to the Neewer microphone now. This is the test of Neewer USB mic with pop filter on. So A Alpha, B Bravo, C Charlie, pop, pop, pop. This is the mic test of Neewer USB mic with the sponge cover on the top. A Alpha, B Bravo, C Charlie, P Papa, pop, pop, pop. This is the test of Neewer USB mic with no pop filter and no sponge cover on the top. So A Alpha, B Bravo, C Charlie, pop, pop, pop. So this was the comparison. Of using the mic with the pop filter, without pop filter, and without a sponge cover. So do let me know if you do want to see other comparison also. I do have this Sennheiser microphone, but these are for taking calls. These are not the stereo quality microphone. But if you do want me to compare these with the USB condenser mic, then I will do so. Overall, I would say for the price, this mic is very good. The quality, it's amazing. Like I'm surprised if you can get this mic for £31, which is amazing, which makes it like €35 or $40. For this price is very good. The sound quality is great. So this is the setup which I would recommend. And yeah, one thing I've noticed that you do need to record the audio like this. This should be the position because it records the audio in this way. All right, so Neewer brand logo should be in the front, and this should be positioned, and with the pop filter it should be fine. That's my overall review of this microphone. Do let me know if you have any questions, and if you like the video, then you can press the like button, and if you want to subscribe, that's on you. I will be making more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Bye.